Hey guys, it's Han here with another video, and today we have a very exciting product. It's the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long. And this is the box, so I'm not really gonna, there's nothing, really just a lot of paper, stuff like that. So let's just go right into it. Well, this color particularly is called Vinsa Blue. And the Vinsa Blue, hey Elena, you wanna join? My little helper is here. He's gonna help me, talk about this product, right? So this color, Vinsa Blue, comes with a couple of extra accessories. We have two types of comb and also this sleeve where when the machine is hot you could actually use. But let's get into the real product, which is the Dyson here. As you see, we're gonna open it up, and you could also use this to cool off your product as well. So here's the actual machine. Here it is. And if you notice, it's very lightweight actually. There's a power on mode, and there's 3-speed for fan, and there's 3 heating speed. And this is just to eject the tool, whichever accessory you're gonna use. So I'm gonna use this one, but I'm gonna show you guys what it has. So this is the machine, right? And then we have, here are the ones for the long curls. And the difference between this 2022 model that it came out, it actually, if you notice this, if you move it, you can have the airflow come out from 2 different sides. And same thing with this. You can have the airflow come out from both sides. See, you switch. So you have a bunch of accessories here. I'm gonna use this one just to show you. So I'm gonna put this down here, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use this. So to connect it, obviously, just put it right into the power. And you see here, these 4 dots, you just connect it here. Make sure you line them up. There you go. And here we go. I want to get some volume here because all right, now my hair is completely dry. And there you have it. This machine, there is another machine that's the competition, which is Shark. It's 50% less than this one in terms of price. But we got this, if you already have a Dyson product like we do, we have the vacuum, and it's registered, you could get 20% off this machine. I'm not sure if it's still available, but you can go directly to Dyson and talk to the customer service or try to do it on their website. So it's a good deal. I know it's a very expensive machine, but you know, you get what you pay for, right? So it's very, very good, very healthy for your hair. It's not too hot. These, if you notice, these actually move depending how you're brushing your hair. And yeah, so we're excited to have it. If you have any questions, comments, concern, put it down below. I'll try to answer it, my wife and I, with all your questions. And thank you for watching.